I was thinking, what if naging masyadong emotional yung eleksyon ng huli, and one-third of members of Congress ay naging anti-administration, at ang kinahaharap natin ngayon ay isang impeachment labang kay President Marcos, at pag siya'y na-impeach, magiging presidente si Vice President Sara. I wonder if all of us in this room and out of this room will still have the same paninindigan. I hope I will. I'm not judging. I am just saying, Mr. President, what helps me is those two books, but also to put myself in the opposite side, to put myself in that position. What if, so I'm looking, I see my good friend, former Senate President Zubiri, shaking his head. So natanaw ko tuloy si Senator Kiko. What if Vice President Lenny and Senator Kiko won in 2022? And what if ang ini-impeach ngayon ay si Senator Kiko? I hope yung decision ko to support this decision would be the same.